Leaving Zaragoza. One of the cycle lanes, as I forgot to film when we were leaving the campsite this morning. Second leg of the journey. Birdies in song over there. Don't know whether you can hear that. How far out are we? About 16 kilometres out of Zaragoza. Just seen some fantastic birds' nests, or I think is a heron. But double check that. That's like actually on the electricity towers itself. I've never seen that before. Amazing. Got a couple of snaps. See if they're any good. Oh, just fixing the road, bro. We come past. Is that alright? Can we come and try? Ring your bell. I don't reckon he heard you. Cheers, boss. Gracias. God, lovely and smooth though. You've done a great job. There, Tash. Reckon we might just have found tonight's camping spot. What? Oh. Saved it. Just leaving Sastago. All up there, that would have been a good spot. Tash still complaining about how much clay she's got on her everything. Just spent about 2.5 hours in Sastago, just a short stop off. All started with a bit of pizza bread, pan of chocolat. We even dived into some ham on croissant then. Into coffee and water stops, which was delightful. There's the Golden Gate Bridge that we've just crossed over. Could well be San Francisco. That then went into a supermarket shop where it took 17 minutes to pick up a handful of tomatoes. Epic extreme movie. Oh, God, that's nice. What gaff? You can swim to the other side. Oh. Oh. Morning angle. Whew. Oh. I would say we are the definition of off-road. Christ. So got a wind tire bone there. I'm fucked. I got my shirt off. It's bloody November tomorrow. Oh, we got a path. I reckon that's a path down there, you know, somewhere. But, I mean, this is an old ass track. Christ, how are you doing? See how red my face is right now? Fuck. Yeah, good work. Stay down here again. So this is the section of the route where we went that way for a long fucking way, and we should have gone the direction that we just come from. So there we are. I think this is where we carried on that way. Oh no, I might be wrong. Yeah, I think I'm wrong. Ignore what I just said. No, I think it might be actually, you know. Yeah, I think it is. So we're just doing an hour-and-a-half detour for lunch to go back to the road. Isn't that right? Box. That rings a bell. Red. This is the client from the barbecue shelter. Fresh, clean, sacked the festival off. In the rain, but not in the rain. Laughing. 1st of November. The rising sun, 3 little birds. Ha ha ha. We're leaving Prades, it is pretty cold. Oh, we're off to the coast today. Whoa-hey! About 900 metres is it? 970 metres up, I think we are. 954 metres high. So, be a bit of a change this afternoon, I expect. Looking forward to it. Time is paradise, it seems. Got here, watch it. That's where we've just been up there. God. The leave this here, but I can't be bothered to come back for it. Did you get high to your knees?
Yeah, maybe try and stick your left side. Wait, this side. This side. That bit gets a bit deeper.
Does it? Little fishies! Little grunt.
Just hold the video in case you nail it. That's what we all want to see. I made it. Oh, you left your shoes on the other side.
Definitely a change. You alright? Got the wind at our backs. Ready, take off. $20K to Barcelona. It's not quite the route I thought we'd be coming in on, but pretty pleasant nonetheless. Let's go. And here we have the lesser spotted green pigeon. They're not quite its natural habitat, accompanied by the little brown friends. They're not their offspring. Yeah, a nice little feed on the grass by Barcelona Beach. I just pressed the wrong button. I turned it on. So I thought I'd set it.